Hi, my name is Jennifer, and I want to tell you my story about how I went through a really rough time dealing with tinnitus. I couldn't concentrate properly with the constant, brutal ringing in my ears. I remember the days clearly, just going from doctor to doctor, taking anti-depressant drugs, only to make the unbearable ringing get even worse. It was a very painful time, and I was just desperate for a solution. Desperate to cure my tinnitus. I searched for answers all over the internet, but I couldn't find any that worked for me. All the free information was either out of date or it was just basic stuff, and I needed something more. That's when a friend of mine recommended the Tinnitus Miracle. I read through the sales page, and frankly, I was a little skeptical. It sounded too good to be true. I mean, it said that it could permanently eliminate the ringing in my ears within 2 months. Like, how can anyone believe that, right? Well, anyway, my friend said that it had worked for him, and honestly, I could see the vast improvement in his life. So I decided to take the plunge. I threw down the $29 for the product and dug in. The product is a combination of PDFs that contains some interesting information. Here's an example of something I learned inside. They said every person has to be treated differently when it comes to tinnitus. So there isn't actually one approach that works for everyone. So needless to say, I was shocked. No wonder I wasn't having success with healing my tinnitus. I just wasn't doing things right. I will admit I had some confusion about certain sections of the product, but the support that was included was wonderful. I mean, they got back to me promptly and they answered all of my questions immediately. They were extremely helpful, which is something that you don't see a lot, especially on online businesses or with online products. Well, anyway, if you are struggling and you can't bear the ringing in your ears anymore, then I highly recommend that you grab the Tinnitus Miracle. Using this product, I was able to completely stop the constant ringing in less than only 3 weeks, a lot faster than the product promised me. Just one other thing. If you decide to purchase it, which I recommend that you do, if you use my link, I get some of the money. It helps me to put food on the table, and I feel good knowing that I've helped someone else out. Of course, if you don't want to, you can just go directly to www.tinnitusmiracle.com. Otherwise, click the link, and thank you for picking it up. I know you'll love it.